want to get in the cart? You want to get in here? What's this? What's this? You want to go shopping? You want to go shopping? You want me to put you in the cart? Sit here. And then go in the cart. Come here. Oh, big girl. There you go. Now you're ready to shop, huh? Let's get Haru in the cart. Come here, Haru. Come here, Haru. Come here. Oh, there's my boy. Haru has to sit in the basket, huh? You don't let him sit up front. You're a princess. You're the princess. You want to go inside? You want to go see everybody? Say hi, Haru. Into the store. You love shopping, huh? You love going shopping. Good love. Haru-chan.